Hold up. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now I'm feeling it. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, ladies. Here we are with another review. And of course, after the holiday, we are coming to you today with another review on hopefully another winner, baby. Definitely do consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Of course, drop your girl a comment down below. But most importantly, sis, share the video with all your family, friends. I would definitely appreciate it. Now, big thank you to WigEncounters for sending out this unit, baby. I'm very excited. Y'all know I love me some koala dwelling, and they did send me a colored unit. So let's stop talking and get right into this review, baby, because WigEncounters, yeah, baby, I'm hoping for another winner chicken dinner. Couldn't resist. I know. Y'all love
it. Standing here looking out my window. Nights are long and my days are cold, cause I don't have you. How can I be so damn demanding? I know you said that it's over now, but I can't let it go. Every day I wanna pick up the phone and tell you that you're everything I need and more. If only I could find you. I could go somewhere after the snow coming down the chimney, like a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you. Without this, alright. I saw you pass me. A rearview mirror's playing tricks on me cause you fade.
Listen. You know, I have not glued it. I haven't adjusted the baby hairs, nothing at all. And are we giving scalp, sis? Are we giving scalp already? Now you can see a little bit of the lace right here. I am gonna go ahead and fix that, of course. But baby, baby, she talking. 111, 111. Yeah, so wow. So I think we are ready. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna take down these curls and see what's going on. I'm a little shooketh. So, little moment of purr. My loneliness got the best of me and my heart's so weak. Every day I wanna pick up the phone and tell you everything I need more. If only I could find you. Alright now. I'm missing you. Cold summer day, snow coming down in June, like a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you, baby. Yeah, I know. We in fall. Guess what? I ain't have nothing else to wear. Here we are. Okay. Okay, WigEncounters. Okay. So, I am no stranger to WigEncounters on this channel. We've done a few. I can't remember if I've done any closures by them. Maybe. I don't know. Anywho, but a couple of specs. This is their Kaiya unit, part of their beginner's wig collection. This is a 10-minute lace wig, baby. 5x5 lace closure unit, 22 inches, 180% density of 100% Indian virgin hair, baby. Now, of course, this is also a pre-bleached frontal, and this is also a pre-bleached frontal with a pre-plucked hairline. I did go in really heavy, and I plucked it to my liking just so I could give you some scalpation in this slayery, baby. Now, I feel maybe I could pull it just a tinge forward, but we gonna let it do what it do with this 5 head. So yeah, I definitely feel this is definitely giving scalp. Parting space looks okay. I really just applied a little bit of foundation just to blend in with my wig cap underneath. But baby, hello. So pleased that they took the liberty to bleach the knots. Tell Cuticle Carla, get all up in there, baby. You ain't gonna see nothing. Boom. So this is where the closure stops, and it is a little bulky here, but it's not as bulky as a lot of closures I've done on this channel. Usually you have to go in and kind of snip it away because it's in an odd space, but this closure right here, it blends seamlessly with me, baby. Now, I am a little baldy locks over here, so you know, I did swoop just a little subtle edges over here, but I mean, with this hair, even with it pulled away from your face, baby, look at her. Look at her in all her closure glory. Stretchy cap, you will not have any issues. Team Big Head, right here, boo, and she is fitting like a glove. They were kind enough to include this in the packaging. First time ever using something like this. Trial and error. I'm definitely open to, you know, revisit this on another unit of theirs, but I did decide to go ahead, use my wand curler. This is by TIGI. If you're interested, Amazon link, hit it up, description, bam. So I did go through, and the curls are holding up, baby. They are holding up. Yeah. Okay. I would prefer a little bit more density. This is 180, you know, it is what it is. You know, I tried to fluff it up and spruce her up, and I think she came out okay. You know, I would just like her a little bit more thick-alicious. WigEncounters offer us a 200% density. It won't hurt you. It might actually help you. I did not mention the color on this unit. It does have an ombre effect, which I am really digging. You know, we live for the 30 combos on this channel, baby. So they are definitely serving it up. I mean, this looks really, really freaking good. I mean, I hate to say freaking, but this looks really good. It lays flat, and the parting space, and I can't get over this frontal. I mean, closure. You know, no one's gonna know that this is a closure, baby, because she is blending, and she is down, and she is laid, and she is giving you scalp. Would I recommend this as a beginner-friendly unit? Yes and no. My only issue is the fact that I did have to go in and pluck the hairline myself. It was giving scalp-ish, okay? You know, like grown-ish. It was giving scalp-ish, okay? So I really wanted to open it up, and I think it came together nicely straight out of the pack. For a beginner, this may, you're gonna have to slay accordingly. Slay accordingly, sis. That's all I can say. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by WigEncounters, I will have a direct link to their site in the description box down below. Big thank you, most importantly, to all of you for tuning in. It definitely does not go unnoticed. Thank you so much, ladies. Take care of yourself. Keep yourself first, and of course, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.